Welcome to yoga. You won't need anything for your practice today. So when you're ready, get on your mat, lying on your back, pulling your knees into your chest, and rock little circles on your lower back. And then to set up a bridge pose, place your feet flat on your mat, about hip distance apart. Take your hands down by your sides and position yourself so your fingertips barely graze your heels. Then tuck your tailbone up to the ceiling and lift your hips up as your knees press forward and your weight presses down evenly through your feet. Keep lifting up through your hips. So much that your shoulders begin to roll open, and if it feels good for you today, add a chest expansion by shimmying your shoulders underneath and interlacing through your hands. Then press your forearms into the mat as you lift up even higher. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, coming all the way down. Then pull your knees into your chest for full wind pose. From here, begin to rock and roll the length of your spine front and back, gaining momentum as you do so to eventually plant your feet and stand up into chair pose. That's pretty challenging though, so you can always modify by just rocking side to side, then press yourself up, making your way to chair pose. Either way, sit back into your hips and breathe. For 3, you're doing great. 2, 1, forward fold. Separate your feet nice and wide. Deeply bend your knees, hang heavy, and send your breath up and down your spine. With each exhale, relaxing and folding deeper. Big breath in through your nose. Big breath out through your nose. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Toe heel your feet together to touch. And find halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins, press your heart forward, roll your shoulders open, making a flat back. Even the weight out in your feet so you're not just in your heels. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold with soft knees so you can fold even deeper. Then rise up into mountain pose. Stand tall with your arms reaching up and your shoulders relaxed. 2 footprints press into your mat. From here, grab onto your left wrist, then lean over to your right as you lengthen your whole left side body. Big inhale. Exhale, come back to center and switch your grip. Grab onto your right wrist, lean to the left as you lengthen your whole right side body. Big breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Then for a mini back bend, cactus your arms, bend your elbows open, and lift up through your heart. Next inhale, come back to mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Come all the way down with a gentle bend in your knees. Next is halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins, press your heart forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Let's go one breath, one movement. Mountain pose as you inhale. Come all the way up. Grab your left wrist at the top. As you exhale, dive to the right. Inhale, come back to center, then switch sides. Exhale, dive to the left. Inhale back to mountain pose. Exhale to mini back bend, lifting up through your heart. Roll your shoulders open. As you inhale, mountain. As you exhale, fold. Halfway lift, big breath in, nice long spine. Forward fold, big breath out. One more time. Inhale, mountain pose. Come all the way up. Grab your left wrist at the top. As you exhale, dive to the right. Inhale back to center, switch grip. Exhale, dive to the left. Inhale back to mountain, mini back bend as you exhale. Mountain pose. forward fold. One last halfway lift, big breath in, then make your way to downward facing dog. Well done. Take any movement in this down dog that feels good for you. Fan your fingers out wide and grip into your mat. Press your chest towards your thighs and take a big breath in. Big breath out. Take a seat on your mat, close your eyes, and observe everything as it is in this moment. You're exactly where you need to be. Well done, yogi. Remember, your daily practice is your strongest practice and the quickest way to see results in your practice, in your body, and on your mat. So, I want to give you access to my 5-minute quick abs yoga workout with the most effective yoga exercises to help you strengthen your core, improve your posture, and tone your abs fast. Even 5 minutes a day is better for you than 1 hour once a week. So if you think you have no time for yoga, make time for this video. You won't regret it. All you have to do to get access to this formerly members only video is click the first link in the description of this video. Enter your name and email, and I'll instantly send you my 5-minute quick abs yoga workout. Now, did you like this practice? Let me know by clicking the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. I upload yoga videos every week to help you stretch, strengthen, tone, de-stress, and peel back the layers to becoming your best self on and off your mat. So go get started on the 5-minute quick abs, and I'll see you there. Bye.